Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add a checkbox or checklist in WordPress. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can easily integrate interactive checklists into your website. No coding required. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Once you've reached the WordPress homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your site's customization options. After clicking Login, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to sign in without having to remember extra passwords. Click it, and a list of your Google accounts will appear. From there, select the account connected to your WordPress site. This ensures you're logging into the correct website for editing and management. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. Here, locate the section labeled Quick Links. It provides shortcuts to important areas of your website. Within this section, click on Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor, your main workspace where you can make design changes and add new content. Inside the editor, you'll see a preview of your website. Choose a specific page or section where you want to add a checklist. Then click on it to start editing. You're now in a live editing environment where all your adjustments appear instantly. Next, look toward the top left corner of the editor and click on the plus icon. This icon opens a menu called the Block Inserter, which allows you to add different elements to your page, like text, images, buttons, and more. In the search bar at the top of the Block Inserter, type Checkbox. WordPress will filter through its available blocks and show you the checkbox option. Once it appears, click on the checkbox block to insert it into your page. You can now position the checkbox exactly where you want it, whether it's for a to-do list, form, or checklist style post. Adjust the spacing or duplicate the checkbox to create multiple items in your list. Once you're happy with how everything looks, head to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This step ensures that all your changes are securely stored and instantly visible on your live website. And that's it. You've successfully added a checkbox or checklist to your WordPress site. This simple feature can make your content more interactive, organized, and engaging for your visitors. Enjoy the convenience of WordPress editing and the added functionality that checklists bring to your website, helping you present your information more clearly and effectively.